Lucid dreaming is amazing because you can do literally whatever you want. But just because you can do everything doesn't mean that you should. And there are some things that you should absolutely never do while in a lucid dream. First of all, lucid dreaming is extremely safe and you will be completely fine as long as you are in the right mental state and have good intentions. I don't want to mislead people into thinking that it's dangerous or bad for you, because the benefits of lucid dreaming are amazing and lucid dreaming has really helped me out in my life. But even the best lucid dreamer can make mistakes. And today I'm gonna go over 13 things that you should never do while in a lucid dream, so that you don't accidentally do them. Before we get into the video, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because I post weekly lucid dreaming tutorials on the channel. If you want to learn how to master lucid dreaming so that you can lucid dream every single night, hit that subscribe button and also leave a like to show that you want to see more videos like this. Also, feel free to leave your comments down below if you need any help with lucid dreaming, because I would love to help you out. Anyways, let's just get straight into the list of things that you should not do in a lucid dream. Number 1. Don't do things that are too exciting, especially as soon as you become lucid. For example, don't jump straight into lucid dreaming sex, because chances are you'll wake up and spoil your lucid dream. Stabilize your dream before attempting anything too exciting. Number 2, don't kill people. Now, this should be pretty self-explanatory because, it's just not something that you should be doing in a lucid dream. Just know that all of the dream characters that you see are extensions of yourself. And if you kill them, you're pretty much just killing parts of yourself, and you just don't want to do that. Also, keep in mind that lucid dreaming is extremely vivid, and you probably don't want the memories of killing someone in your mind. So just do something else, like, I don't know, go to Jurassic Park or something. Number 3, don't close your eyes. Now, you might be wondering why you can't close your eyes in a lucid dream, but the truth is that when you close your eyes, there is a very good chance that you could accidentally wake up. And I don't know exactly why, but it's just super easy to wake up if you close your eyes inside of a dream. So do not do that, because you don't want to accidentally wake up. Number 4, don't go into a lucid dream without a plan. If you go into a lucid dream without any kind of plan or goal, then you may actually forget what you're there to do, and you'll end up just standing there and doing nothing. Now, it really depends on your level of lucidity, but my general rule is just always repeat to yourself what you want to do before you fall asleep, or just set the goal during the day so that you know what you want to do. Number 5, don't do things in a lucid dream that are very similar to waking life memories. For example, in a lucid dream, if you go and ask your boss for a promotion, and then you wake up, you might actually think that you did that thing in real life. And this is because sometimes you can get dream memories mixed up with real life memories. And the chances of this happening are very, very little, but it can happen easier if you're lucid dreaming about things that are very similar to your real life. Number 6, don't think about your real life body. If you're in a lucid dream and you're constantly thinking about yourself lying in bed, it can make it really hard for you to focus and be immersed in the dream, because you just keep thinking about your real life body. Not only that, but it's also very, very easy to wake up if you're thinking that way. So when you're in a lucid dream, just think about other things. Just try to immerse yourself in the dream. Whatever you do, don't think about yourself lying in bed. Number 7, do not have negative or scary thoughts. This can cause lucid dreaming nightmares, which obviously you want to avoid. And one of the best ways to treat this is meditating before you go to sleep and just being in a very positive mood. It's also very important to not be afraid when you're in a lucid dream. For example, a lot of people think that you can be stuck in a lucid dream. So just know that when you are in a lucid dream, you are in complete control and you can wake yourself up whenever you want. There's no way that you can get stuck. And honestly, it just takes a lot of lucid dreaming experience to get that into your mind. But it's just very important to avoid negative feelings when you're lucid. And if you don't feel like you're ready, do not lucid dream. Just sort out those problems in real life first before you go into a lucid dream. Number 8, do not wish for something scary. Now, this is very similar to number 7. When you are in a lucid dream, you're in a very unique state, because whenever you ask your subconscious for something, it will happen. And your subconscious also knows your deepest and darkest fears. So if you ask to see something scary, Your mind will create the scariest thing that you can possibly imagine because it knows your fears. A lot of people use lucid dreaming to overcome their fears. And sure, you can do this as well, but you do need to be prepared and in the right mindset. So before asking for something scary, if you want to do that so that you can conquer your fears, then make sure that you're prepared and that you know what you're getting into. If you're just starting off with lucid dreaming, I recommend just doing something different. This is for more advanced people, and again, you need to have a bit more experience before you can get into things like this. Number 9. Do not make a real-life person a consistent target of fantasy. What I mean by this is don't use real-life people or friends in your dream too often because you can create fake memories with them. So if you're hanging out with one of your friends a lot in your lucid dream and you're talking to them all the time and doing whatever, then when you see them in real life, not only will your memories be a little bit confused and you might not know if that conversation actually happened in real life or not, but also you could be disappointed because a lot of those conversations that you have in a dream might be amazing, and it's a bit depressing to know that you never actually had that conversation with them. So just a general rule, don't try to hang out with people too much in your lucid dream and create fake memories because this is just not a good thing for you to do. Number 10. Do not spin around too much, especially for no reason. Now, spinning around is a very good method if you want to stabilize your dream and prevent yourself from accidentally waking up, but if you do it too much and for no reason, you could actually wake up. So don't try to spin around, or really just don't try to do reality checks all the time for no reason, because it could get you back into the mindset of I'm in a dream and, get you to wake up. Number 11. Do not look in a mirror, or at least when you do look in a mirror, know what to expect. Mirrors in lucid dreams behave very, very strange, and for many people, the reflection in that mirror could be scary and cause them to wake up. So before you look in a mirror in a lucid dream, know what to expect and know that there is a chance that what you could see is scary. As long as you're prepared, you will probably not accidentally wake up. But then again, there's a million things you could do other than looking in a mirror that aren't as risky. And honestly, if you're new to lucid dreaming, I don't recommend doing it right away. Number 12. Don't try to control things too much. Controlling things in a lucid dream can be amazing, but it's also very, very hard, especially if you don't have a lot of experience. I know a lot of people who jump into crazy things as soon as they become lucid, like trying to move buildings or create mountains. You need to work your way up slowly, and whatever you do, don't become frustrated because you could have negative feelings or you could accidentally wake up. You need to remain calm and just know that controlling things in a lucid dream takes practice, but once you do it, it's awesome. And of course, this leads us to number 13. Don't spend too much time lucid dreaming. Now, you may be surprised that I'm saying this because I lucid dream pretty much every single night. And I'm not saying that lucid dreaming every night is bad, but I do think that it is a bad thing if you are looking forward to your dreams more than you are real life. With anything in life, balance is key. And you need to make sure that you are spending an equal amount of time on other parts of your life as you are lucid dreaming. You don't want to use lucid dreaming as an escape for issues in real life. I think lucid dreaming is an incredible tool that can really, really help you out in life. But again, make sure that you also focus on real life and not too much on your dreams, because at the end of the day, lucid dreams are just that. They're dreams, and they're not real life, and you need to realize that if you have problems in real life or you have an issue with someone in real life, that you need to go and sort that out rather than escaping it into a lucid dream. And that's it for today's video. I hope these steps help you in your lucid dreaming journey. And if you're new to lucid dreaming and want to get into it, subscribe to the channel and watch some of my tutorials on how to lucid dream so that you can experience these things right now. Also, please leave a like because it really supports me and lets me know that you guys want to see more videos. And as always, thanks for watching.